Hi friends, welcome to the new video, and in this video is all about the technicals, and hope you have seen the previous video is all on fundamentals about the tire sector, and in this video you all understand about the technicals and how the price actions momentum we can take and study more on price action basis only. So this video is all about the technicals and understand 8 stocks which are how they are behaving in terms of technicals. Okay, so the first stock is Rufella International, and this is the chart of the Rufella International, and you can see the price is currently trading at 88 rupees, and you can see the price actions on the basis of this. So the stock went up from the price of let us take 25 rupees, and the stock went till high around almost nearby 116 rupees, and the price followed this pattern. Okay, you can see the triangle pattern here. So and it is continuously, it came till here, this range, and it went high again. It tried to come back to the support range, but it could not come here. Again it went up. As it went up, it tried to touch this support level, and it touched here and it gone up. So this is the pattern it has formed here. Now this chart is on the basis of weekly chart pattern. Okay, this is a weekly chart. Each candle is formed on the basis of weekly chart. Okay, so as soon as you can see here, so the triangle formed, this is the upper end I have taken here. We have drawn a trend line from this high. High means, that means the body, the closure of the body here. This is the body. So this body, and from here I have drawn a trend line till here. Okay, so as you can see here, as soon as this breaks this line, okay, as soon as this breaks this line, and you can say the momentum will start on the upper side. And however, we need to wait and watch whether it will break on the downside or upside. So let us hope on the positive side, as the fundamentally is a very good company, and once it breaks this price, you can see the momentum in this particular stock. So pattern formation, you can see the trend here as the larger picture, and also one more is like in terms of RSI, relative strength index. So it is in the range of between the 60 and 40 range. Okay, and it is in the middle of the RSI. So you can say whether it is either overbought zone or oversold zone. So neither of this. So we can say once it breaks this, you can say relative strength index of 60, and you can say further momentum in this, and triangle formation has happened already. And here you can see the big candle formed here. This becomes a very good support for the Rufella International. So this is currently trading at 88 rupees. We can expect a good momentum on the upper side as the big candle has been formed here. So, and the second stock which we are going to study is about that is a seventh stock. Seventh stock is all about TVS Chakra. So currently the stock is currently trading at 2,502 rupees. So let's understand the technical parts on a larger view. So you can see the stock has gone high from the price of 310 to it gone high till 4,000 range, and the stock has formed the pattern again. Pattern formation, you can see a larger picture. Continuously the stock has going down on a lower and lower basis. So from here again the price started moving upper side. So it's a between the fight between the bull and bear, you can say. These are continuously holding on to this price, and it came here this low and tried to reach an upper side, but it could not sustain above this range. Again it went down till it formed took a support here. Okay, so you can see the pattern formation here again, and it tried to reach this support range, but it could not. Again it went down. Again it came back to the in the triangle pattern. Okay, so as soon as you can see this breaks on a weekly basis, you can see the momentum in this stock. So this is again the pattern formations is very good. And also in terms of RSI, relative strength index, it is trading above the 60 range, and you can expect some momentum here. And also one more important is, you can see here, so this is the Bollinger Band pattern. I have taken the Bollinger Band, and it has broken this upper Bollinger Band and try to reach maintain in the range between the 20 days moving average and the upper Bollinger Band. So as soon as you can say this momentum breaks here on a weekly chart, this is again a weekly chart. So as soon as closes above, we can say closes above, so we can expect a momentum in this stock. So currently it's trading at 2,502 rupees. This is all about the stock, that is a 7th stock, TVS Chakra. So larger view, we can see the stock is forming in this range only, and we can see the good momentum in coming days. So, and let's go one more stock, that is Goodyear Tire. So this is all about currently the stock is trading at around 1,024 rupees. So let us take a detailed view on Goodyear Tire. So you can say the simple way of analyzing the stocks. This particular pattern has formed here. Again, you can see as if the stock went high till this range, somewhere around 1,291 rupees, and it tried and it came back again. It came back to 563 rupees. So the stock is trading in this range, and once it formed a trend line here, you can see I have drawn a trend line from this bottom to this bottom. So this is the upper, you can say the trend is forming a higher high. So once this higher high is formed, this tried to go above here, but it could not sustain. Again it came back to this support range. Again the stock started moving up again, and it tried to take a support here and came down. So as it is taking a support at here and here, and you can say it is in the triangle formation pattern. So as soon as this breaks this on a closing basis high, and you can say some good momentum in this particular stock. So the pattern formations, as soon as it breaks, you can see the momentum in this stock. And on the basis of let us take one more way of analyzing, and relative strength index, it is trading in the between 60 and 40 range, that is around 50 range it is trading. And also you can see the Bollinger Band pattern, it is trading at 20 days, nearly almost on the 20 days average price momentum. And however on a upper side, it touched here, again it came back. It is trading in this zone only. As soon as it momentum comes, you can see some good positive side momentum in this stock also. So we are studying entire tire sector, because the reason behind this tire sector is, and government is also trying to reduce the cost of the logistics prices, cost of logistics. So as soon as the logistic cost prices also reduced, you can see some momentum in this particular sector. So next coming to the JK Tire. So let us understand JK Tire, what is the pattern it has taken. Again I am saying the pattern formation is, again I am saying here is the price action. And if you want to learn more on price actions, please comment on the comment, so that I can make the new video complete on the entire price action basis. So let's take JK Tire. So JK Tire currently trading at 170 rupees, and see the momentum here. The stock went high. This is again a weekly chart pattern. So stock went high here, and it dropped in 2020 till it dropped till almost 40 rupees price, and it tried to again starts going on the upper support, upper resistance level. And this is called as a resistance level, and this is, you can call it as a support level. So it tried to reach to the resistance level, but it could not hold in the middle, and it started falling. So you can see again this price stock has touched this support zone, and again try to reach the upper. So still the stock is in this upper range only, as this triangle formation has happened in this stock on a weekly basis, it's a very strong level, and once it closes on this above price, so above the range of this trend, that is this particular pattern, it breaks on a closing basis on a weekly chart. Okay, on a weekly basis, if this breaks, you can see the some momentum in this particular stock. So let us understand on the Bollinger Band analysis also. And here a relative strength index is trading again on the upper side. Many people say this is overbought zone also, but however as it is maintaining, you cannot take only this as a price momentum, because it is again anytime this may continue further higher side also. But on the Bollinger Band, it has again touched the upper Bollinger Band and try to reach break this level higher. So it may go above on this price also, and we can see the momentum also in this particular stock. So this stock also we can see a positive momentum. Next comes is the C8. Okay, so again on the simple chart pattern, we are going to understand the pattern formations. Stock went high here and it started going down in 2020, it dropped till somewhere around 796. Again it took a support here and moved again to the upper resistance level here. So it touched the resistance level, and again it started going down and took a support again to this this price somewhere around I can say 907 rupees, and again it started going upper side. So this stock is currently trading in this zone only. You can see the pattern formation here. So as soon as it breaks this zone, this pattern, so on a closing basis on a weekly chart time frame, so as soon as it breaks this momentum, we can say some good momentum in this stock also. And let us take on a relative strength index and the Bollinger Band pattern study. So this is the, on this study, it is again I can see overbought zone, but however overbought zone, we cannot say that it will not go above from this line. It can go upper side also. And here you can see it touch continuously, it is touching the upper Bollinger Band, and the lower Bollinger Band is showing in the upper curve. As it is showing in the upper curve, you can say some good momentum in this particular stock. As soon as it breaks this on a closing basis, you can see some good momentum in the stock also. So C8 is also showing a positive view. Let us take one more stock on the Apollo Tyre. On a price actions, so you can see the stock went high here, so somewhere around 304 rupees. Then in 2020 the stock went down, so till around 76 rupees, and start again going upper side, and it took this touched here the resistance level and formed a triangle pattern here on a weekly time frame. And we can see here this particular stock has closed above this price. So that means this particular stock has started moving on a upper side. So it has closed above the range of this particular trend line, and you can see a momentum in this particular stock, and once it breaks this high, you can see some more momentum in the stock. So already Apollo Tyre has broken the levels, and let us wait and watch in the coming week how this particular stock Apollo Tyre will do. On the basis of Bollinger Band and relative strength index, already it is in the overbought zone, and you can see some good momentum. This particular stock is trading above the 60 days relative strength index, and it has a very good level to watch this, and it has already touched the upper Bollinger Band here, and it has crossed our triangular pattern formation. So price action shows a positive indication that it can move further high. Let us wait and watch in the coming week how this particular stock will do. Next comes is the MRF. So MRF also you can see in the month in 2020, So in 2020 the stock continuously touched the price here. So in 2020 the stock was trading at around 57,000, and it went high here, you can say somewhere around 80,000, and it dropped. It already broke this high and it started going above this range, and again it came back to the my support line. So as it touched the support line, you can see here, I think you can, as it touched the support line here, and from here to here, and it started moving above this line, and it touched and it came down here again, but it could not hold this level and it started moving above. And also the stock has broken my trend line on the upper side. So the triangle pattern has been broken, and you can see some good momentum in MRF stock. Let us wait and watch. Currently stock is trading at 89,368 rupees, and let us take on the RSI also. So you can see in RSI it has broken above 60 also on a weekly basis, and also here you can see the stock has touched the 20 days moving average price in the Bollinger Band, and it started moving upper side. So immediately I think this may touch the upper Bollinger Band, as the lower Bollinger Band also showing the uptrend here, up you can see here continuously. So this is also showing a positive momentum on the basis of weekly. So last but the least, the best stock we can say Balakrishna Industries. Let us study the Balakrishna Industries. So this is the last stock which we are going to discuss. So this stock, again you can see the momentum was here, and in 2020 the stock touched the low somewhere around 758, and it started going above, and it touched the high here almost 2,715 rupees. As it touched the high of 2710, and it started coming down to the support range here, and it touched 1713 here. So as soon as it touched, again it started going upper side. So again it is trading in the pattern here, you can say. So now it is at a support range. We can see a good momentum. Rest of the stocks are showing almost in the nearby above 50, or we can say in the upper side only. And this stock is at a very good buy level. Currently the stock is trading at 1944, and once it took a support here and it formed the, you can see the chart pattern on a weekly basis is formed almost doji pattern here, and once it momentum starts, it can go above nearly can touch this resistance level, and once it breaks this on a closing basis, further momentum you can expect in this particular stock. Hope you like this video, and do watch this video completely, so that you know I'm just giving you an entire tire sector. So most of the stocks are showing a positive indications momentum, and let us wait and watch. And this video is only for the education purpose I have made, so that I just want to educate about this the entire on the basis of my own analysis. Do consult your financial advisor before taking any investment decisions, and all the best for your investment. Thank you so much. Do subscribe to my channel, and have a wonderful investments. Thank you so much.